This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chrome web browser opened up now. To change your default download destination in Chrome, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Downloads. Then in the center pane, right here, Location, it tells you what your location is set up to be downloaded to. Mine's to be downloaded to my desktop. You can change that by clicking on this Change button. I'm going to click on Change. Little dialog box opens up asking you where you want to save it. Say that I wanted to save mine to my documents. I'm going to click on Documents. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I could select a folder within here, a folder within my documents to save it to, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to click on Select Folder. Now as you can see, my download destination has changed to my documents. To change it to a different thing, you would just repeat the same steps, click on Change, and down below that asks where to save each file before downloading. A lot of times when you click on a file, a dialog box will automatically pop up asking you if you want to rename the file or if you want to choose a different destination. You can enable or disable that dialog box right here. If you toggle that off, your files will automatically be saved to whatever location that you have selected here. That's how to change your default download destination in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.